Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is the part 2 of IKEA QATAR. Enjoy watching. To start with, we have here a nice kitchen with small island table and a counter breakfast table. You can also find here all your baking utensils, tools and accessories. An elegant dining room. A modern white kitchen with island counter. Another style of kitchen with breakfast counter table and pantry storage. A sample of cupboard at the window area. We have here kitchen sink samples and its fixtures. Cutlery. It includes various spoons, forks, knives, and tongs. Various sizes and shapes of food trays and containers. Easy to fix kitchen mounted utensil racks. Here are office setup displays. Or a home office in your room. I feel like I'm really in an office room here. There is also a meeting table. You can have your own simple personal room table. Or a computer table with pedestal cabinet on the side. Another computer table here. And various sizes and shapes of table as per your needs. These are pedestal cabinet with drawer. A standard office table. And here are various styles and sizes of beds. A bedroom with closets. Balcony overlooking the city buildings. And how do you like this kitchen? It's fully accessorized. It looks like I'm really cooking. Here is a sample of a bathroom with laundry area. Another bedrooms and bed displays. Complete with decorations. Nice wardrobe closet with mirrors. Another style of bedroom with closet. See here a bed style and bed sizes. Over there is a dressing and makeup table with spotlights. Double-decker bunk bed. How do you find this sofa bed? There are a lot of bed styles you could choose from. Nice white dressing cabinet. A bunk bed with study table and sofa underneath. A walk-in open shelf closet with island cabinet in the center. There is also a closet with swing doors, or sliding doors with mirrors. And various styles and sizes of dressing cabinets. See, here's some nice and cute children bedrooms. Or a baby room. Stuffed toys for kids are also available. And other kinds of toys for kids, plus a lot more. When you feel hungry after shopping, you can have your meal at IKEA restaurants at affordable prices. And that brings us to the end of our tour. Hope you enjoy it. Again, shout out to all my friends and subscribers. Thank you for watching. This is Mr. Muhammed, your friendly neighborhood. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. And please comment down below. I love to hear your thoughts and comments. Until next time.